Diri sa Musika Cebu, dili lang banda-banda ang gusto na mo i-feature, kundi lain-lain genre sa music. Karon natong storya ng hip-hop kauban ng Mobstar. This is Yanix and this is Musika Cebu.
This is brought to you by 8 Thumbs Productions in partnership with Sound Balloon Entertainment, Prestige Cebu, and Kalye Musica. Sponsored by Koa Treehouse, Colt 45, and Azul's Tuslo Boa Experience.
Suddenly in the club, I'm nice but not easy. You can look but don't touch. Look but don't touch. Hello, hi, you better tell your guy that I'm a one-tough cat for a mellow fry. Cause I'm a hot breaker, a hot breaker. I'm a hot breaker, a hot breaker, hey!
Listen up, yo, I got a story to tell about this fine young lady from the Heartbreak Hotel. She's a heartbreaker and a part-time lover. She's a Miss Go-Getter and I think she knows better. Cause I never knew that she was a player type, trying to show her love, but she wants it one night only. Give this man a chance with a little bit of romance, honey. You don't understand that I got me some plans, but she said,
hello, hi, you better tell your guy that I'm a one-tough cat for a mellow fry. Cause I'm a heartbreaker, a heartbreaker. I'm a heartbreaker, a heartbreaker. Sound so sexy, you can text me, you can say I drive you crazy. Can you love me? I say maybe you can never ever have this material, girl, and I'll be rocking your world. I love in diamonds and pearls, rocking stilettos and fur. I'm a cold-hearted snake, I'm that bitch you love to hate. You may say my boobs are fake and be the reason you are playing. I'm way out of your league, boy, cause you're just a boy toy. I don't mean to be rude, I'm better off with my toys, boy. Hello, hi, you better tell your guy that I'm a one-tough cat for a mellow fry. Cause I'm a
heartbreaker.
Heartbreaker, I'm a heartbreaker.
Yo, check it out, let me take you to the bridge.
Heartbreaker, hey.
One more time now.
Hello, hi, you better tell your guy that I'm a one-tough cat for a mellow fry. Cause I'm a heartbreaker, a heartbreaker. I'm a heartbreaker, a heartbreaker, hey. Yeah, and you think that you know me so well. Yeah, and you think that you know me so well. The club, I'm nice but not easy. I'm a heartbreaker, a heartbreaker. Hey, see me in the club. I'm nice but not easy. I'm a heartbreaker, a heartbreaker. Hey.
Hello. Kuan na dito karon sa grupo nga ginganlan og Mobstar. Yay. Pagkamay.
Hi, my name's Garvey. Ako tinawag yung name kay Garvey Enage. So you can search me on Facebook.
Ako si Dice.
Wala, tinod pangan.
Kaya ito sa Dice Rosoroso, pakitala sa Facebook. Or you can Google me. I'm kind of a big deal.
My name is Haisi. Akong tinuod ngan is Hanilyn.
Hanilyn, apelido?
Concepcion Rosaroso.
Anong Garvey man imong gigamit?
Dili na ako ang hinimo nga nickname. Sa ako ginang mama because Garfield the cat.
Hence
Hence.
And
Ano yung
then,
V?
nanahimong Garvey to make it more unique. And that's it.
Ikaw, Dice? Anong Dice man?
Wala ganahan na siya, dice. Di, kisaon na ka ng hili ko magdag dice ba? Kato kayong, saan pa nang i-take na to na exam sa una? Exam, o ka ng
NCEE?
NCEE ba? Wala mo ko yung mag-review, nagdarok og dice. So kung sa'yo mo gawa sa dice, mo ito ko say that.
Mga answer kay 1 to 6.
Na may mga lingin-lingin, so ipon rin ako.
Ikaw?
Kuan, katong dili pa usong cellphone. Kanang two-way radio, muna akong call sign. The first call sign was Heaven.
Kanang kuan, kanang...
Radio.
Oh,
Motorola.
over.
Ganun na.
Icom, ano na? Kanang.
Ang first na akong call sign is Heaven. And then siguro, na-realize ang papa nga, ang akong attitude, diri siguro, layo siguro sa Heavenly. So, iyang gi-change High C. So, muna na akong gidala. Muna na akong gidala.
Yeah, sa tanang genre gyud bang? Anong murag hip-hop gyud ang...
Among grupo jud nagsugod mi hip-hop jud. Pero sa... Since birth. Di, kan. Di ako sa una pa jud kay frustrated man ko na musician, di ko kabaw mo kanta, di ko ba mo gunit og instrumento. Mag-rapper na lang ko nya. Si K9 sa una sa mga wakabalo og wakaabot sa mo kitong Dice and K9 pa. Mo to siya murag music man jud na mo kanang gitarista to siya, nato siya banda.
Gitara.
Nya.
Point blank.
Point blank kato nya. Nagkasinabot lang mi maghimo sa kanang ganahan lagi mo swipe sa kunsang music ba sa kunsang genre. So moto nagtukod mi Dice and K9 kami ra tunduha then kada kanta na mo si Haisi mo chorus niya kada kanta na mo nasi mo may mo click so pilo na lang nato siya karon din nabi mi kanang special announcement para among i-launch among pinakabag-ong member every album sa Dice and K9 mag-ilis big member niya lisod kayo na naay member niya Dice and K9 ra ba so moto Mobstar nganong Mobstar kay ambot lang cool man paminawon pero wa jud na meaning jud among bagong member dai si Garvey aka Gabe Caballero. Yung actor name. Indie actor
soon
din
to be
siya.
actor.
Soon.
Yang
3 months
Garvey,
from now.
unsa man tawag ng Garvey? Unsa na siya nga klase nga pangan?
Di yun na nga mo na tawag siyang mama sa iya.
Angga.
Angga.
din.
Angga, mo gina.
Nya mo to dito hip hop niya. Sa karon lately na lang ambitious sa gugamay ba as the producer of the group. Gusto ko kanang every album lahi ba. Dili gyud siya magpareho. So, karon nagnaami sa electronica na music, EDM or dubstep or trap music, mga yana, drum and bass. Ang element sa hip-hop na gyapon rap niya, siya ang kanta, ginaham siya mo kanta o mo acting. All around guy.
Right here, right now,
Right now.
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 right here, right now, right here,
What?
right now, right here, right now, right here, right here, right here.
I wanna rock with you. Anything you want me to do to you. Anywhere you wish I'm cool.
I wanna rock with you in the bed floor is cool. Me and you can bring a friend or two.
Baby, let me know if this song you into, cause I'ma play this when I'm rocking with you. I know you can bring it anywhere you go to, so I'ma take you just to rock the venue. Take it to the floor, let me watch you move. Close and tight, little room to breathe through. I know you'll be rocking all the coolest hair. 3, 4, pull your hair back, I bet you cool with that. So rock with you, anything you want me to do to you, anywhere you wish I'm cool.
I wanna rock with you in the bed floor is cool. Me and you can bring a friend or two. I wanna rock you right, move your tight, stick inside my world. But you gotta get the right attitude, the right latitude. I'ma hand it to you. I wanna suck you dry, do the things you never had to do. But you gotta get the right gratitude, the right attitude. I'ma hand it to you. Better know who you're messing with, boy. Gotta swag like Helen of Troy. Wanna show you can handle it. High C's running it, GNB's stripping this.
Acid, Dice. I wanna rock with you, rock with you, anything you want me to. New to you, anywhere you wish I'm cool.
Yeah.
I wanna rock with you in the bed or floor with school. Me and you can bring a friend or two.
I wanna rock with you, anything you want me to. Do to you, anywhere you wish I'm cool.
I wanna rock with you
in the bed or floor with school. Me and you can bring a friend or two. Right now, right here, right now,
Right now.
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 right here,
Yeah.
right now, right here, right now, right here.
I wanna rock right now, rock right now, rock right now.
What?
I wanna rock right now, right now, right now.
Let's go.
I wanna rock right now, rock now, right now. I wanna rock right now, rock right now, rock right now.
Kuan, naabot day ang tuslubuha. Tara, utang lang din. Tara. Ang puso. Amang puso. Tara. Perception sa mga tao sa hip-hop ba, gubot lagi. Pwede niyo ma-explain or unsa?
Katong wa pa kita ma-expose ng hip hop. O man takabaw na hip hop dito kanang MC Hammer, Vanilla Ice, ang ato tanaw naman nato to kay rap. Then ang abot din tong mga era, tong mga gangsta rap na mas nisikat siya ba, mas ganahan ng mga bata ato kay bagsik lagi. So ang tendency lang gi-emulate ba na ganggang sad ta kay mo may cool na kuan. So dito to ba na sayop pagdawat ba ang sa una na mo din ni hip hop cool ka kung nakay gang. Unfortunately mura siya ang ng creation sa hip hop kay murag kuan ang conflict ba. Pero di man jud na siya mao ang kung ato lang tang i-adapt ang positive side which is the music.
Musicality.
Oh, ana ba? Unfortunately mo diha sa ba yan. Ako di sa ko magpinamaayo na biktima sa ko nga naganggang sa ko sa una and then dito na ako naka-realize na nanakay mga amigo mawa ba kay tungod ra sa ingana gani nakay amigo mapusilan. Manuri manlakaw mo di ka komportable kay na kay kay kontra na amigo ra man tani mo sa una pero lain man siya
lain nga grupo.
oh taglain siya mag-away na lang mo.
You know I love ya, and I'ma give it to ya. Put your finger on my trigger and I'ma give it to ya. You know I love ya, and I'ma give it to ya. Put your finger on my trigger and I'ma give it to ya. 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 Give it. Give it. Give it. Give it. Give it.
Yeah, check it.
I'ma do you good, do you like you should. Do it dirty to you like they do it in the hood. I'ma be your loose girl, you will be my boy toy. Play you like a finger, make it
Head spin like a
You
b-boy.
know I love ya, and I'ma give it to you. Put your finger on my trigger and I'ma give it to you. You know I love ya,
love
and
ya.
I'ma give it to you. Put your finger on my trigger and I'ma give it to you. 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 Give it. Give it. Give it. Give it. Give it. temptation. So come and pick your poison. Let me love you down, Lord, to your satisfaction. All of my flirtations, submit to my addiction. Give me some of your love, I am something good by the way. And I will love you, and I'ma give it to you. Put your finger on my trigger, and I'ma give it to you. You know I love you, and I'ma give it to you. Put your finger on my trigger, and I'ma give it to you. Give it to you. Give it to you.
Go.
Give it to you.
Let me drop it one more time for y'all.
Yeah, sa tanaw ninyo ang hip-hop, na ba'y future sa Cebu?
Man kay daghan man jud kayo hip-hop artist. Mura na sa kung dako ang hip-hop sa Cebu, pasabutan na ni dako na music scene sa Cebu. Dili ko mo judge sa ubang genre ha, I don't know kay. Dito mig Manila ang perception sa mga tao sa reggae scene diri dako. Ang punk nya since pag-abot sa dito sa mga banda na nagrepresent Cebu, ila yung tanaw na na-enjoy music scene.
And hip-hop is still music, magyapon na siya. And as long as na ay mga bata nga fan gyapon ng hip-hop, nga mupadayon, so naagid na siya future. And right now, balik pa ang hip-hop. Even sa club.
Actually, mo na nakalindot ron kay kapuya sa sigos lagi ana-ana, put your hands up. So, ganahan sa sila. Maganahan sad sila.
Mo ikid-ikid na.
Oo, kanang twerk-twerk, o kanang grind. Igwad-igwad sa lubot. Nga na ba? So, nindot ba yung tanawon? Actually, na-di future. Actually, kung mudako ang tibok scene, music scene, appeal yun ang hip-hop na for sure. Kaya daghan mga artist dali.
Usually, kung musikat nga dito sa States, musikat sa diri, mo na kung nabantayan.
Actually, okay. Mo man na. Ang problem lang kay usahay sa good, nasa dyan sa mga listeners ba? Kung mapalit mig album ng hip-hop, mapalit na lang mig album sa hip-hop na tinuod. Kung maminaw mig ani murag at ato lang tinud-on na kanang support local music. Usay gud mo ingon ra mag-support storya ra ba niya. Kung suporta jud ba?
Support local music. May kay mo post pero mga yug CD.
O kana o sasad na kanang magawas kag kanta kanang asa ni ma-download.
Download gianor ba no?
May ticket.
Sa kabaon sa kalisod na
gigastuan ng recording, gigastuan ng practice, gihaguan ng pagsuwat og kanta kanina na ba? Ikaw.
Ngawang hangyo lang, no?
Sige,
Sige daw, kung kana, support local music, ato yun di pakita ka ni support yun sa local music by buying the music itself. Diba? Kung ganahan mag-download, palito na ninyo nga download. Diba? Kay it will be available at all channels possible.
Hip-hop.
All channels possible man.
Adto sa mo sa mga gig. Ay maghuwat na murag himuon rang front act ang ato mga local artists diri nya mga adto makitungod kay ang main act kay siing ani murag sakit sa kay ba di man sa pagkuan sa Manila na mga artist pero namang gud tay ato nasa tay ato ang sound ba na igabot sa Manila linyahan ba ang mga taga Cebu ironic lang kay ba igabot diri ba murag kinsay finale mo tukar ngani ba murag front act lang jud ay mita diri.
This is brought to you by 8 Thumbs Productions in partnership with Sound Balloon Entertainment, Prestige Cebu, and Kalia Musica. Sponsored by Koa Treehouse, Colt 45, and Azul's Duslo Boa Experience.
Atong nasayran nga nagiday hip-hop scene diri sa Cebu. Watch out for our part 2, uban yapon silang Dice ug si High C. This has been Yanix and this is Musica Cebu.
I got what you want, boy. I got what you need. If you wanna get some loving, boy, you gotta do the deal. Let me hear you say, yeah.
Dice, High C, and Garvey are back to talk about their music and of all their songs, why Itsumo became such a huge hit.
Timing sa gato na misilingan na to na chapayuki ba? I-translate ra gud ni gud para mas nindot ba hapon.
Itsumo kokoro e hushitsu ka dareka to mata koi ni utsite mo.
More of Mobstar and their future plans, from music videos to short digital films. Only here in the online music show like no other. Musica Cebu.